everyone. We're here with Caribbean Heritage Television and Nicky Nick World Media Networks. My name is Lisa Lamar. I'm your host. We're here today interviewing the honorees and inductees into the Haitian Roundtable's Changemakers and Ones to Watch award celebration. We have amazing honorees from politicians to doctors to authors and political activists to Haitians in entertainment, and we'll be taking a moment to speak with them tonight. So stay tuned. We have plenty of interviews. We have plenty of coverage of the actual celebration and award ceremony, and just keep up with us, Nicky Nick World Productions and Caribbean Heritage Television, and we'll be right back.
We're pleased to introduce you to our 2014 Changemakers. These well-deserving honorees have taken the meaning of excellence to the next level. Honorees, please come to the podium when your name is called. Mona?
Josie Altidore, who is not present with us today, but Josie Altidore is an international soccer star who hopes to represent the United States at the 2014 World Cup in Brazil. Altidore, the youngest of 4 children of Haitian immigrants, plays for English Premier League club Sunderland. He has been recognized for his philanthropic work in the U.S. and Haiti. Jean Apollon. Jean Apollon is the choreographer and dance teacher based in Boston and Port-au-Prince, Haiti. He is the co-founder and artistic director of Jean Apollon Expressions, a contemporary Haitian dance company in Boston. He directs a free annual summer dance course in Port-au-Prince for aspiring Haitian dancers. Dr. Magali Emile Backer. Fermin Backer and Dr. Magali Emile Backer are co-founders of the Haiti Renewal Alliance, a nonprofit that promotes business development and investment in Haiti. Fermin, an engineer specializing in intellectual property, and Magali, a pharmaceutical and global health expert, launched HRA after highly successful careers in their respective fields. Jacqueline Shaw. Jacqueline Shaw is an award-winning reporter for the Miami Herald who has been nominated for a Pulitzer and won an Emmy for her coverage of Haiti. She was born in the Turks and Caicos Islands and raised in Miami's Overton neighborhood by her Haitian mother and Cuban-American stepfather. Jacqueline Shaw. Nancy Dorsinville is not with us tonight, but Nancy is a research associate at the Harvard School of Public Health. She has been senior policy advisor for the UN Office of the Special Envoy to Haiti. An anthropologist by training, her expertise includes HIV stigma, health disparities, and gender-based violence. She served as Director of HIV Prevention Education for the City of New York and has a long-standing affiliation with the Clinton Health Access Initiative. That is Nancy Dorsinville. Please give a round of applause for this round. Yes,
you guys can be seated. Well, Mona, we have some more wonderful people. First up in this next round, I'm thinking the brackets, right? March Madness. Okay. Roger Dorsinville, who is not present. Roger is the chair of the Electrical Engineering Department and the co-chair of the Computer Engineering Department at CCNY. He attended Lomonosov Moscow State University and received a PhD in laser physics in 1976. I guess just another underachieving Haitian man. He is the son of Roger d'Orsainville Sr., a prominent Haitian historian whose books have been standard texts for generations of young Haitians. Give him a round of applause. Now, when they say your face is in the right place, our next honoree has been working on a lot of faces, a lot of hair, a lot of great things, and she's beautiful too.
I can use her right now.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
hot over here.
Oh yeah, that's because I'm getting hot. She's worked on my face.
That's because I'm standing next to you.
That's right. Karen Dupiche. Karen is a leading makeup artist in the entertainment industry. She's won 4 Emmy Awards and has been nominated 7 times on the ABC daytime talk show The View. Her ear cuff, a heat-resistant ear protector, why didn't I think of that? Is currently used in high-end hair salons across the nation. Karen, we love you. The Honorable Linda Dorsina-Forêt. Yes. Linda Dorsina-Forêt is a Massachusetts state senator representing the 1st Suffolk District. She's a native Bostonian and first-generation Haitian-American. She's the first woman, first person of color to represent this diverse and thriving cross-section of Boston, which includes Dorchester, Hyde Park, Mattapan, and South Boston. The Honorable Linda Dorsina-Forêt. Next we have Harvey Gédéon. Harvey Gédéon has been a force for innovation in the cosmetics industry. Until his retirement last year, he was Executive Vice President for Product Innovation, R&D, and Packaging at Estee Lauder. Earlier, he held senior positions at Max Factor and Orlane. He is the author or co-author of over 100 international patents. That boy's rich, y'all. Born in Port-au-Prince, Harvey has helped build the School of Excellence in San Mark, where students get the best education at absolutely no fee. Harvey Gédéon. Brother, when I grow up, I want to be just like you. At this time, we would like to introduce a key leader within J.P. Morgan Chase, one of Mona's favorite banks she was telling me about backstage. Our presenting corporate sponsor for this evening. Please join me with a very enthusiastic welcome for Gayla Jennings O'Byrne, Vice President of J.P. Morgan Chase Global Philanthropy. Does size matter? No. So she says.
Good evening. On behalf of J.P. Morgan Chase and my colleagues that are here with me tonight, I want to give a big round of congratulations to the honorees and inductees. I work in J.P. Morgan's Global Philanthropy Group, and what I do is I work to invest in communities and deal with social issues that range from education to small business to unemployment to financial independence. And so often they're troubled and they're looking for role models and people that exemplify the best and the most positive in communities. And so it is really an honor to be here to see that we've got so many role models and so many people that we can look up to for those accomplishments in our community. So often we don't celebrate our successes, and so I have to thank the leadership of the Roundtable and the board for their vision and their commitment to making sure that we stop and celebrate our successes and accomplishments. So again, on behalf of JP Morgan Chase, we are honored to be a part of this celebration and really ask that you consider us a partner as you go forth in the world. Good evening.
Assistant Secretary for Minority Health and the Director of the Office of Minority Health at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. A pediatrician with epidemiology training, Dr. Garcia previously served as Chief Medical Officer for the HHS Office of the Assistant Secretary for Health. She is a Fellow of the American Academy of Pediatrics. This one is a special one to me, Jamie Hector, or as we call him, Jamie Hector. Jamie is an actor best known for his role as Marlowe on the HBO series The Wire. Come on, let's give it up. And he was also a villain with superpowers on NBC's Heroes. Born and raised in Brooklyn by Haitian parents, Jamie began acting in college and studied at the Lee Strasberg Theater Institute. Jamie founded Moving Mountains Incorporated, a nonprofit organization that services talented youth interested in the arts. Please welcome Jamie. Marie is president. Big round of applause, let's hear it. Marie Hippolyte is president of the Haitian-American Nurses Association and assistant director of nursing operations in ambulatory care services at the Queens Hospital Center. She is a founding member of T-Chapeau, a Haitian carnival masquerade band based in South Florida, which promotes the rich culture of Haiti through participation in Caribbean carnivals throughout the United States. Karine Jean-Pierre. Karine Jean-Pierre is a political strategist who has worked in the grassroots activism, local politics, congressional races, and the White House. Most recently, she was campaign manager for Tish James in her landslide victory as New York City's public advocate. Born in Martinique of Haitian parents and raised in Queens, Karine received a Master's of Public Administration from Columbia University. This is another special one for me, as I somehow feel along with you, madame, that I raised her. Yes. Claudine Joseph, affectionately known as Didine. Didine is now all grown up and Chief Operating Officer of LL Cool J Incorporated. Yes, she manages all of the business holdings of the award-winning entertainer. Before that, she was Vice President of Violator Management and Records. Yes, where she worked with clients like Missy Elliott and 50 Cent and a host and a ton of others. As you could tell, this is personal for me because Claudine and I worked together for many years. She also spent a lot of time working with the Fugees. She has a BS in Marketing and International Trade from the Fashion Institute of Technology. Claudine Joseph.